Hey guys, Sammy Lou here again today, McCall's Kitchen, but I'm not alone. I have Siobhan with me, a new budding baker. We are going to show you guys how to make Christmas cookie stacks. So she's got a little miniature version and I've got a big one. We're gonna kind of put our own flair to it. So yes, grab your items, they're all listed below and you guys can join us. Let's get started. To start, we've got some cookies. You can have any flavor that you want. We have 5 spice cookies today. Just a normal sugar cookie. You want to make sure that it's not too hard, but not too soft, because you're going to want to cook and cut into it later. But again, any recipe you want is totally fine. And then we have our buttercream. Today we're using Italian meringue buttercream. And then she has, what colors do you have today? What are you going to be using for decorations?
Well, I'm doing a royal blue and silver, doing like some Christmas themed and
frosty stuff. And I'm going to do like your typical red and green and some gold. So since it's a stack, we're going to start by, we'll have 2 cookies. Feel free if you want to use more, you can, but we have 2 cookies. And we are going to start by piping some buttercream onto our first cookie. But we're gonna make it a little bit more interesting. We are going to add a filling. So you can use whatever filling you want. You can use like berries or caramel. We're gonna use like a hazelnut spread in the middle of our cookie. It's so yummy. So I'm gonna start by piping what we call like a dam into the middle of my cookie. And this is gonna prevent my filling from falling out. So what we're gonna do is we'll pipe little lines, okay, and then we'll like close the dam. Okay. Once you're done, take your time. We will close off our dam. Remember, the point is to make sure that your filling isn't spreading out the sides, right? So you'll take your palette knife and just on the insides, you'll just close it down. And again, if you want more filling, you just move your frame out. But just a little bit in the center is good for me. And we will grab our filling. Sweet, so we can just get rid of these. Put them aside. Now we're gonna take our piping bag and we're gonna do little dollops around the outside. And then once we're done, we're gonna put the other cookie on top. Okay. Once we're done, all you gotta do is take your top cookie and put it on top. You just wanna make sure that it's aligned nicely. Now what I would suggest is just giving a very, very little push so that it's snug, but you're not squishing everything, right? Maybe
that
check.
Looks so cool.
Right? Doesn't it look pretty?
Like the layers?
It does. It looks like an ice cream sandwich.
Right? Okay.
Yeah, it looks pretty. But all the really pretty stuff will be on top. See?
So like it shouldn't be able to come off.
That's right.
Okay.
Cool.
So it's like
we're good.
Glued on now.
That's right. And same with that. Like if you want to glue this to your board, you could have. But like I want to be able to lift my cookie up. Yeah, right? That's exactly right. That's what
That's why I did that.
That's so funny.
Okay.
Okay. So you can do whatever design you want, but we're just using one color each today. So I think we'll just like dab it all over, right? So
the same idea, just like a square. And
that's
like
right.
Going in.
That's right. So I'm gonna go in lines.
Okay, I'll do
you want to go in square?
Yeah,
do whatever works for you. Cool.
Nice.
Ooh, I like. Yours looks nice. It's so full. Okay, good. I'm happy. And the good thing about these cookies and why I really enjoy doing them is because like when you're doing like a cake or a cupcake, there's like processes where it's like put it in the fridge, then wait 5 minutes.
Yeah, this is so simple. It's
you
like
don't have
5 minutes to already.
Yeah. The only thing you have to do is like get your stuff. So we've got some fruit, some macarons, some crisp pearls. I have salted caramel.
I did the white chocolate. Yeah, these are really good.
So you have white chocolate. I have salted caramel. You have some cute little penguin dudes up there.
Penguins, and I got some
candy canes
as well, just in case.
Yeah, but it's okay. Use it. Oh, and then your cute little polar bears. They're so adorable. But let's just go and just decorate how we want.
So you're just kind of like
just putting them on. So I'm gonna add a macaron here like that, And I'm gonna add one here like that. So usually what I do, you can do whatever you want, like I said, but I like to do the big things first because it takes up the most area and then I can trickle in.
Yeah, like things around it, yeah.
That's right.
Okay, this is just so cute.
You don't even want to use it, right? Just keep them forever. So I've got most of the big things on. I'm gonna go through and add like medium sized. Like that so far. I'm gonna go, I have some gold sprinkles.
Oh, I didn't get any like blue and white sprinkles.
Do you wanna get some blue and white sprinkles? Yeah?
I mean,
she's gonna go get some blue and white sprinkles.
Yeah.
You go get some. You go get some.
Okay, more sprinkles? Yeah,
we got sprinkles.
I'm just gonna fill it up. Okay, done with all my toppings.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm almost done. And then we'll do some gold and silver leaf and some sparkle.
Okay.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if I should add more silver because those are my initial two colors. Now it's like white and blue.
I feel like you could, maybe when you just add the silver leaf, it'll bring the silver.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, because you can put it on your blueberries, you can put it on top of your little snowballs.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover up because I cracked his head a little bit.
Yeah. So we've got all our toppings on. Let's do the final touches. Final touches.
Yep.
Leaf.
Silver leaf first.
Gold leaf.
Silver.
And then we have our diamond dusts. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, I think, do I want to add this? I have these cute little sugar decorations.
Yeah,
the little hollies. I think I'm gonna add these little hollies on. Yeah, that looks way more Christmassy.
That's so cute. It goes with your little leaves.
Oh, I love it. Are you happy?
Yeah, that's so cute.
It's so cute. And
now, glitter.
Glitter. Diamond dust. We have glitter too, but let's use that. I like
that.
that.
I like this one better.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see this.
So
Look how
shimmery.
sparkly it is. It's so pretty. I love them so much. Okay, so that was a quick and easy Christmas dessert. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. And
you can hashtag love Mccalls and tag Mccalls and share your pictures with us.
Yes, we would love to see your creations as well. So don't forget to hashtag, tag us. And please make it your own. Switch up the colors, right?
Yeah, you can do anything with any of these colors and designs.
Rainbow, teal, pink, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be your classic Christmas. And it doesn't really have to be Christmas either. What if you have a birthday coming up? You can do like a birthday one.
It can do any shape either, like a hat, like make it like
candy cane. Do we have a candy cane one that was posted earlier? Not by us, but by somebody else. There's a candy cane one as well. So yeah, any shapes. So please don't forget to follow, hashtag, do it, tag us.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.